Thank you guys. Thank you for joining my YouTube channel. Thank you for always watching my videos. And today I want to teach us how to remove backgrounds from pictures in coredraw. Fast ways to remove your background from pictures in coredraw. Most people go to Photoshop to remove background, but I tell you today that you can do it in your coredraw, and it's going to be neat and perfect from coredraw. Now look at this image here. Look at this lady. The background is yellow. So let's get started. How do I do this? The first thing I need to do is to click on this edit bitmap. I don't know the version of coredraw you are using. This is Core 17 I'm using, and Core 13, 21, 20, all of them have this option, this edit bitmap option. So when you click on edit bitmap, it's going to come up with coredraw photo paint. Coredraw photo paint is like the junior brother of the main coredraw itself. They work hand in hand. So photo paint is going to pop up. Why is popping up? I hope you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, because if you didn't subscribe, I bet you don't understand what I'm teaching you. So subscribe now before it comes up. Now photo paint is up, but I didn't bitmap the picture. Let me bitmap it first. Let me bitmap the picture. I didn't bitmap, that's why it's showing me something else in that place. Okay, now it's bitmap. So it's coming up now. So once it comes up, here we go. It's loading. Now we have the picture, and this is coredraw photo paint. So what do you do from here? You go to your image. You come to this first one here. We have cut out lab. Cut out lab. You click on it. Now when you click on it, it comes out this way. You come here to the right hand side. We have need size, we have highlight colors, we have few colors. You see these few colors here is the main image you are seeing, the lady herself. This few color represent this lady herself. This highlight color, which is lemon color, is the background you want to remove. This need size you are seeing, this first one here, is the size of your brush. You can see it's 45. I can choose to increase it here, and it will be bigger. It's the size of your brush. Let me increase it more. It's too small. What's the problem? Let me increase it then. This need size is the size of your brush, so you can choose to increase it and make it bigger. Let me reduce it a bit to like 100, for instance, or 200. 100 is small, or 200. So what you need to do, you just need to go to the edges, click around the edges, make sure you don't go too deep so it won't affect the image. Click around the edges, or the air edges where you have the background close. You click it round, you click it round, you click it round, you click it round like this. You click it round, you click it round. Can you see what I'm doing? You click it, you rotate it round like this. Can you see what I'm doing? Let me come here and cover the hand also. Cover the hand. Cover the hand here. Cover the hand. Be careful, you won't go too deep. Cover the hand. Let me come here also. Cover the hand. Then, when you are done, you come here, this up here, this middle one, inside view. Can you see it? Inside view. You click on it. When you click on it, then you click on the image. Then you click on the image. Can you see it? You click on the image. Then after then, you go straight down to your preview. You go straight down to your preview. See what we have, guys. The image have disappeared. The only part remaining is the hand, because the hand is more of inside. So let's touch the hand a bit. What we have now is just the hand. Let me touch the hand a bit. The only part remaining is the hand. So let's touch the hand a bit. let's touch the hand a bit. Can you see what we have now? Can you see what we have? So let me go back. Can you see what we have? All the backgrounds have disappeared. Can you see what we have? So what do you do from here? You go to your save. You go to your OK here. You click on OK. Then you come here as if you want to close it. You click on it. Then you bring out save option. Then you click yes. And can you see now? We successfully removed the background. So from here you can now change it to any background you feel like changing it to. If it's red background, if it's yellow background, if it's blue background, if it's green background, you can change it as you like from here. Can you see? It's so simple. So start changing your background easy in CorelDRAW. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching my video.